Well, good morning, campers. It's the 13th of November. It's 7:32. It's already sat here. If you can see, there's H's van parked there. I woke up for a wee this morning. I just got back into bed about, just gone 6:20 or that. And I heard this fucking bump coming. I thought, fuck me, that's her door. So I jumped out of bed and shone my torch out the window and freaked me out. I seen these fucking eyes looking at me. And it was she was stood over on the track, I think, deciding which way she was going to go. She's gone off for a fucking walk. Well, I noticed she's gone down through Upton Level and down through Boynton and back round. I just looked on Live 360. I don't know if you can see her, but she's coming back up the track. Look at that, got bloody shorts on as well. What's she fucking like? I know it's not well in that cold, is it? You had to like a little walk. Well, I said to her this morning, I said, what are you doing? I'm just going to go for a run. And off we go then. Mm. But didn't she know when I was looking at the door, I was bollock naked? Here she is. She might even wave. I don't even know if she thinks she can see us. Here she is. Did she see us then or not? I don't know where she's to now. There she is.
Got some clothes on.
Yeah, I got clothes on.
Right.
Yeah. Enjoy that? You went down Boynton, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's it like down there then?
Lovely colours.
Lovely colours.
Lovely colours. Yeah.
You cold?
No, I'm too hot.
I'm going to say up at the... I noticed on the thing you were down the bottom on the road. And then it jumped. I noticed you were coming up the track. So hence I put the kettle on.
Did you fall asleep?
Hmm?
Did you fall asleep?
What to see what?
What, for me to jump from one place to another?
No, it stops, doesn't it? It's to...
Is it no signal?
Yeah, just... I mean, I couldn't see you moving. It didn't say you was moving. It just sort of like you'd be here. Then you'd be down by the farm. And then when you messaged me, you said, I'm going down the hill, it's slippery. I mean, you were, according to the 360, you were still at the farm. And then suddenly you were the other side of the road.
Yeah, it was a bit slippery on that steep
It is, yeah, I know. You come up there in the rain,
Yeah.
in the van. And I mean, my wheels will start spinning in third gear coming up there.
Be careful on the bike at this time of year.
Yeah. And my bike, I'll be careful, there's my bike. My bike's nice and steady. Well, you're hot and I'm not, so shut the door.
Right.
I don't mind which side of it you are.
Right.
All right.
I'll get a mug.
All right, speak to you in a minute. Okay. So there you go, that's H. What do you call it? I mean, well, you just know what it's fucking doing, don't you? I'm going to say, let you look out the window. I'm not usually up and dressed at this time of the bloody morning. But I thought I don't want to go in. So it's nice and warm in here. But I thought I didn't really want to go and fall fucking asleep. She's going back and I'm sort of sat in my pants. But where does this work? There you go. Yeah, beautiful, eh? I don't know what week this is, week 47 it is. 44, 43, something like that. I don't have any pheasants this morning. This is lovely. Where's she gone? There's that track there. Where that disappears down, you can see where the green field meets the brown field. Well, she's walked down between there and walked down on the far side of that hedgerow, right way down to the main road. And she's crossed that and gone along back into Boynton and back round and up here. So that lovely shot. You can't see, this camera don't pick the pinks up. But it's beautiful. Mind you, since you've been down, we've had a mess about on the bikes. You can call it a fucking cycle ride if you didn't go far. And a bit of a cycle ride. But she apart from that, anyway, she went for a walk. Usually when she goes, I don't fucking hear her. But I don't know what I think it was, because I got up for a pee and I just sort of got back in the bed. Hang on a sec. Oh, I think that might be the kettle boiling, unless I'm mistaken. So that's it really. I want some water as well. No. H, could you bring a pot of water over? Because I more or less ran right out. I got this. There's leftover tea in it. Oh, that'll be fucking lovely.
It's got a tap on it, but it kind of leaks from there, so just pour it over the sink.
Yeah, I don't want it now because I've got the tea on in there. Got your cup? Yeah. Yeah. So what was I saying? Oh, I can't fucking remember. What was I saying? What was? I don't think something I don't fucking find, can I? Right, let's put some water on our cup. You make me fucking laugh. So you go. I always have 3 cups of tea before I get going in the morning. I don't know. I said about the same as me. But look at the size of the cups. I told you she's fucking gamut, didn't I? There she is. Oh, hang on, mate, you alright? Hang on, let me go your way. Get out your way.
It's in your way.
Yeah.
Morning.
See, polite, isn't she? She's done her hair and all. You tidy yourself up.
What have I done to it?
I don't know. Looks like it's fucking been something done to it.
What, drag through it?
Yeah.
About right.
Yeah. Let's say my fucking, when I lived with her mother, she had this friend, Helen. I think her name was Helen Bugle. I can't remember. I know it's a fucking odd name. And she had a mop of like, what's that bloke who does the artist thing?
Oh,
When-
yeah. The one on the painting.
Yeah, the painting on the telly. I don't know if any of you know that. The guy on the telly.
Ross.
Yeah, Ross. Is it Ross? Russ somebody, isn't it?
Don't know.
He got like a
It's got lovely
a mop of really curly hair. Well, Helen had hair like that, see. And she's come in the back door. I'm saying Carol's mum, so she's sat in the back, coming in the back door. And she caught it on, I don't know what she caught on anyway, there's a piece fucking coming outside. And she's Cockney, or Londoner, sort of type, that sort of thing, you know. And she went, look at my hair, I look like I've been dragged for a hage. Fucking age. I look like I've been dragged for a hage. Anyway,
Chance to be a fine
that's a long time ago, yeah. What would you like to be dragged for a hedge?
No, not particularly.
No.
I normally jump into a hedge to try and avoid people.
Yeah.
You don't believe me, do you?
No, I do fucking believe it. I know what you like. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. I mean, H gets on so fucking well because he's not that fucking friendly, really.
Yes, I am.
She's not when it comes to people, she's not user friendly.
Well, that's not quite true. I had to be friendly with horrible people for over 30 years.
Yeah. Oh, you're right with our crew, aren't you?
I'm alright with nice people.
No, go anywhere you fucking don't know somebody, just go quiet.
I'm always quiet. I told you that.
Yeah.
Silent but deadly, not like you.
It's silent but deadly. What you want about you? What you want about your wind? Hey.
But not quite as loud as you in that department.
Never heard you fart.
Probably haven't, though.
No, I haven't.
I'm discreet.
Because you're discreet.
Listen, I'm not even going to
Yeah. You are this morning. You could piss faster than that, could you? Hey.
you almost pissing your cat.
No, I mean, fuck me.
Oh, shut up.
Why don't you put the kettle down? Because you're holding it in both hands, aren't you?
Yeah, but this,
Oh, you do it as you want.
This leaks, that's why I'm doing it over your sink, otherwise you
Oh, got ya.
knickers in a twist if I'm wetting your floor.
Well, I wouldn't fuck it. What I would do is going to have shoes on, but anyway, that's about it. We're starting to talk about wetting on the floor and fucking knickers in a twist, so I know we've got fuck all else to say.
Nobody mentioned knickers.
Yeah.
You've been talking about Ron's ball bag again.
No.
No. Gone off that subject.
No, I never said anything about Ron's ball bag. I said ball bag. By the way, that reminds me of Ron. That's not. I never said nothing about his ball bag at all. Anyway, we'll get on and we'll speak to you all later. Remember, stay classy, no fighting. I love you all. Bye bye.
Bye bye. And you skins.
Ooh, baby. And you skins.
Boy, me.